Okay, we're moving all of our stuff. It's all over the place, but organized. I think it's fairly organized. It's like our last days here in India. My goodness, I can't believe it's already here. I feel like the time went by so fast. I'm excited, but I feel like these days are a little stressful for me because, you know, you want to be able to take what you feel like you'll need, because a lot of the times your stuff won't arrive for like a month or 2 months. So it all goes into like how you pack your suitcases, plus what you decide to have shipped to you first. So all an interesting process. I'm excited though. I'm trying to be positive and just kind of realize what this is for. Kind of like what I always say is you want to think about the goal that you're trying to achieve, and today the goal is just to pack our stuff so we can prepare to leave India, which is kind of bittersweet, but it's time. And they're here.
Wow. This is the door to that?
This side is the inside.
Okay.
This outside.
Oh, that's terrific. That's beautiful. You're gonna use that to close this guy. Awesome work, guys. Really good work. Uh-huh. Man. Yeah.
That's it. We're all packed. You can see how empty it is. It's very empty. My suitcases are over there. And I do have a couple more things here, just some medicine that I need to get rid of, some papers that I need to shred, and then that's it. That is it. We are done. It looks so good. It looks so empty. He still has his mask on because, you know, we did wear our masks while people were here, and he's cleaning up the last few remnants of our packing, and now we just have to figure out what to do with all of these boxes. And I have a couple of other boxes as well, some trash over there. Yeah, we're done. I cannot believe that we're almost out of here in a few days. Bittersweet, definitely bittersweet. But it's one of those things where we can't stay in our house forever. Honestly, I feel like we've, you know, endured being here in India during COVID-19 for a really long time, and it wasn't bad at all. But our time here is up with work, and our time here is up with just being here in India in a pandemic, and it's time to go home. So I am excited to go home, but also nervous to go home. I think just, you know, there are a lot of unknowns there as well. So coming from a place that treated us really well during a pandemic, it's hard to say goodbye to that, but we have no choice. We are basically being kicked out. Just kidding, we're not. It's time to go. Anyways.